Welcome to another DvSum tutorial series. Today we're going to review cleansing. If you followed us on our last video, we created the rule value range you are seeing right now. As you can see, this is a data source, this is a table name, the rule value range is running on the field quantity, and we're saying minimum 1, maximum 9. That means anything outside this range, it's wrong. So we're going to go ahead into the analysis tab and we can see all of them are 10. This is making that our run result is bad. So how do you clean this without knowing any SQL or database language or coding? It's simple. We go ahead and click cleanse on the right side. And as you can see, we have the exceptions here, the suggestions, and the change history. We have the fields in red, and we can define it. Either we can clean field by field because we know for this weight or this shipment ID is wrong, so we can clean only this field and apply it. Or if we want to change all the fields that are 10, we're going to change it to 9 and apply as rule. This is the way you cleanse immediately from the data. As you can see, it updated all quantity records from 10 to 9. Once you have finished this, we can go ahead and save. And after that, commit. Once you click commit, this is going to write to the database or data source and change that information without any SQL coding itself. Simple, right? As you can see, it also says write back successful, 2 exception fixes committed on the date by the user. So after that, we have finished. You can go ahead and click cancel. As you can see, instead of the red box, now you see a green box. And now it says correct. So what happens if we try to run it again? Let's go ahead and run it. As you can see, it has finished running and the run result is 0. That means there is no exceptions. And the readiness score is 100. That means our table is now okay. So what happens if we need to create a workflow to approve this because we don't have that information? You can assign it right here on the rule, workflows. You can add your own workflow. You can say who audits, who user cleanse information, and who can commit the changes. This is recommended so when a lot of users are involved. So you can audit, analyze, or you can create your own design. Just go ahead and click next. Who audits, who writes back, who user cleanses, who approves the changes, and you just press next. After that, are you allowing them to write back to the source or do the automatic commit? This means whenever they change it, it's gonna write back to the source immediately. And after that, we're just gonna go ahead and create save. From here, you have created your own workflow, and now you can configure the users who are allowed or specify which role they're gonna take into workflow. Let's go ahead and click on users. We can see we can choose many users and assign the role, who can analyze and fix, who can approve, who can orchestrate, and if you have more, you can specify the role here. You can add as many as you want. You can also have the action items tab. So in this tab, it allows you to create a task. Let's go ahead and create it. Task for cleansing. Let's go give it a title. Let's go ahead and just copy paste it. We're going to give the description. Who is going to be assigned it to? The priority. When do they have to do the cleansing? And what's the status? The source and the table. This is automatically filled. So if we go ahead and save, we have created our task for the user Antonio Alanis. Now he will receive an email and says he will have to cleanse this information with a URL link to this rule, so he can start doing the cleansing or whatever his role was assigned to. This is everything for cleansing. I hope to see you next time in our next video.